Hey guys.
What's up, Kevin?
Whoa, look at this.
White oak rustic beam.
Charlie, you left one thing off your list.
Yeah, I just left one thing, that's it.
A big thing. So what is the deal with this?
Yeah, we got a beautiful piece of white oak to work with. We're designing the new fireplace mantle in the kitchen.
Okay, so a little sketch here. Is this?
Yeah, this is the idea.
Rustic mantle over the brick fireplace.
We've been saving this for years at the shop, looking for the perfect place to use an old white oak post.
Nice. The Silvas never throw away old beams. And what's the idea behind the white oak, Megan? What are you thinking?
Yeah, we have a lot of white oak accents throughout the kitchen, so we thought this would be a nice tie-in.
All right, so sizing, decision time, what are we thinking?
Yeah, this is 8 by 10.
And 4 faces that I guess you got to think about, Megan, right?
Yeah. Woo.
Different levels of distress, even some repairs, it looks like.
Yeah, those are kind of fun, though.
All right, so how are we figuring out what the final size is going to be? Because this is a monster.
Made up a couple of templates, sample size, go from there.
Okay, sounds good. Expect nothing less from you. Mark, you mind if we throw you out for a second?
All right, let me get out of your way.
Charlie's got some.
And here's the first one, which really represents the piece that we have, so it's about 8 by 10.
So we've got the 10 on this face, 8 here.
Yes.
Megan, what do you think when you see that?
Height's great, but it feels pretty large for this space here.
Too beefy?
A little too beefy, yeah.
We have another option.
Always prepared, Charlie, not surprised.
And this one here is really a 6 on the face and 8 on the top.
8 across here, 6 down.
Yeah.
Megan, your thoughts on that?
I love it. Yeah, that's much, much better proportion for the ceiling height and the fireplace. I like this a lot.
No, we got to cut your beam down.
Yeah, we have a winner.
All right. And Mark, I saw you knocking some brick earlier. Have you been tasked with something?
I have. So anytime we're lucky enough to find a piece of wood like that white oak, we want to make sure we accentuate it. So I do have a couple problems with the brickwork that I want to change.
Which are?
Well, you can see that there are different characteristics in this brick. We're going to stain this brick, so everything is going to be transparent. It's going to come through. So as you can see, I have the same characteristics. The color is basically the same. But one of the other things I want to do is match this stack bond right here. And the way I'm going to do that is as the brick come up like that, I'm going to bring what we call a soldier course, so the brick is going to stand vertical, and I'm going to bring that all the way across this masonry opening, just like this.
These 2 existing courses are coming out.
Exactly.
Are you ready to start demo while we cut this beam down?
Yeah, I'm going to start demo right now.
Very nice.
All right, Megan, it's decision time.
Whew. All right. This is a really pretty section here.
I was going to ask you how you're going to cut it, Charlie, but you brought the world's biggest saw. All right, so now we just got to rip it along this line.
Yep.
Charlie, that saw is a beast. I love it.
All right, this will be our final cut. Put a good bead of adhesive on there, but don't go too close to the top. All right, here's our backer piece. All set, we're ready to put it in place. All right, got a brace for the middle here. All right. All right, now I just got to center it back to Kevin a little bit under an 1/8.
How's that?
Perfect.
You like?
Yep. Let me just tack this.
Oh, Megan, just in time. What do you think?
This is looking fabulous. It looks great. Wow, you made quick work.
Yeah, we're gonna get some board and plaster over it. Maura will touch it up. It'll be beautiful.
And then, Mark, you still have a soldier course to do down here, right?
All I got to do is run my soldier course. I'll tie it in, and we'll be good to go.
It's all yours.
All right.
You look great, guys. Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button. Make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.